Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the best VPN for Spotify. In order to get around IP blocked, you are gonna need a VPN. Virtual private networks mask your location on the web by altering your IP address and encrypting your data, so you can use Spotify anywhere without any restrictions. In spite of this generalization, not every VPN is equally secure. I tried several to discover which ones unblocked Spotify the best. A virtual private network, more often known as a VPN, is a good solution since it can mask your location and provide access to your Spotify regardless of where you are located. There are several countries where users are unable to access Spotify. To get the full experience, you'll need to shift where you are. And as I went over before, using a virtual private network is your best bet for doing so. Using our Spotify VPN technique, which I will describe below, you will be able to access Spotify from any location. So the first step you'll need to do is click the link below to download the software. Next is you need to subscribe to a Pure VPN premium plan. Next is to download and install Pure VPN. In a single click, you may get the program onto your computer. Launch the executable file after the download is complete and follow the on-screen instructions. Please be aware that you will need to exit all running programs before proceeding. Select Run as Administrator from the Pure VPN installation folders menu and click to begin the setup process. When you try to make changes that require administrative privileges, Windows UAC will prompt you to enter your password. Just type in the code you were given and hit Yes to continue. Upon completion of the process, the program will begin and provide a brief introduction to its various features and functions. The easiest way to get the most out of the app is to take the time to watch the videos and read the instructions. After going through the training materials, you should find the control panel to be user-friendly. Using virtual private network software, you may conceal your location by encrypting all of the data that travels to and from your device and tunneling it via a third-party server. Because of this, it is very difficult for prying internet service providers or government organizations to find exactly what it is that you are doing online. Now, let's try. It's possible that you'll need the assistance of a virtual private network in order to download Spotify onto your devices when you're away from home. Following this guide, you'll be able to set up a virtual private network and download Spotify from outside the United States. So open Pure VPN login credentials and choose a server located in a nation in which Spotify is available. So here, I'm gonna choose Australia. When the connection has been successfully made, launch Spotify and continue using it as you usually would. And there you have it. You can now play music anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can claim your free trial on the link below. Check out my channel for more tutorial videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. You can find all the links below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.